gonna build a computer. These are all the stuff that we're gonna use for the big computer. This is the computer case. This is the hard drive that my uncle gave me. It is 1 terabyte. This is a fan with blue lights. This will light up the whole computer. This is a DVD player and recorder. This is the computer RAM. It's 8 gigabytes. This is the muscle of the computer. This is the brain of the computer, called a CPU. This is the motherboard of the computer. This is the power unit of the computer.
Toasty!
This is the keyboard and
So why is she laughing? She's laughing because of this right here, because I'm jumping on the bed. That's why. You just love to jump, don't you? It's okay, get it out. Don't worry. Get it out. Get it all out.
I can't hold it. This is the keyboard and mouse. This is the keyboard and mouse. It lights up with different colors. Now I'm gonna put it together with my dad.
Hi. Baby Sarah, are you gonna help too?
No.
No.
Before touching any circuit board, make sure it's unplugged and removed electrical discharge from your body by touching any metal surface that is grounded. We're using Snape's wand from Harry Potter as a pointer. I have to match up the triangle on the motherboard to the CPU. This is the triangle on the CPU that needs to match the socket on the motherboard. Lowering the CPU socket lever. Applying thermal paste. Lowering the heatsink and fan. Locking the heatsink to the motherboard. CPU fan connector. Installing the RAM. Removing the case screw. Installing the motherboard backplate. Moving the cables so they won't get in our way when installing the motherboard. Adding the screws to the motherboard and case. Case fan cable. Follow your motherboard instructions since every motherboard is different. USB cable. USB pins. HD audio cable. HD audio pins. LED power cable. Hard drive LED cable. Power switch cable. Installing the computer power unit. Attaching the screws to the power unit and case. Motherboard power cable. This is where the CPU power cable goes. CPU power pins. Installing the hard drive. Plugging power cable to the hard drive. Plug in SATA cable to the motherboard and the hard drive. Attaching screws to the optical drive. Plugging power and SATA cables to the optical drive. Now the other side. Plug power cable to see if it turns on.